Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a documented, with the build sheet, factory LS5 454 Super Sport car. And I'll tell you guys, this is one of 7, from what I can find, one of 7 factory Tricentennial cars ever built. And it's stamped right on the build sheet for this car. This is a special order color. There's 2 little dashes on the trim tag, which is Tricentennial Gold. Now, this car actually would have came with gold wheels. When they did the restoration, the guys didn't like it, so they put the they just painted the SS Rallies the stock way, which, to be honest with you, I like a little better. But it actually would have came with gold wheels. But beautiful car, rock solid body. It has a core exchange 1970 454 block in it. That is a warranty block. Factory flapper hood, it's right on the build sheet. Factory tack and gauge car. Really a nice car, and a nice the nice thing is we've got the build sheet to prove everything on this car is real. Good, solid, straight. I bought the car to North Carolina, but it was originally from South Carolina. And you see the car's got 3 of the 4 original T3 headlights on it. The chrome and stainless are very nice. The car runs out excellent. And again, a documented LS3 454 car. Functional flapper hood. I apologize about the snow and the weather, guys. It's supposed to be springtime. We just can't get old man winter to go away. This is a great car, man. This is a nice collector quality piece right here. If you guys are a veteran of my videos, I'll tell you, it's hard to prove once you get 69 and up on these cars to prove if they're real. When you got a build sheet, there's no doubt. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Stock SS Rallies. Again, from the factory, they would have been painted gold. They've got it painted the stock color. Factory front disc brakes. Again, this is a CE core exchange warranty block, 454 block, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the, of course, the functional cowl induction hood, air grabber. My Mopar. I love when Mopar's coming out there. 400 turbohydramatic trans, detailed up, very nice. Turnkey, go have some fun kind of car too. What I'm talking about on that, if you can see it, there's 2 little dashes on that trim tag. That's for the special order paint on this car. Great car, guys. This snow is rough, man. Bitter cold. They keep threatening that the temperatures are going to warm up, but unfortunately, man, it's just rough right now. Factory black vinyl interior. Couple little touch-up marks in the paint, but there's not a whole lot to really pick on this car. Stock bench seat. It's got the sports steering wheel. $28,831 on the odometer. I'm sure that's not original. Factory tach and gauge car. You can see the clock even works. It's got the stock AM/FM. Dual exhaust. It's got the 12-bolt F41 suspension with the rear sway bar. Stock 331 gear. And this car's got a mean sound to it, guys. And I can tell you the motor is brand spanking new. Again, when you look at this, you can see the LS5 454 motor in it. There's your Tricentennial. And you can see this is this for the special paint. Your somewhere on there is your the ZL2 sport induction hood. Factory jack with spare. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. Great car, man. Just a great car. Oh, back to the engine. The gentleman I bought this from, he just had the motor completely gone through. I mean, it doesn't have 100 miles on the motor. If you're looking for a nice 70, this is a killer car, guys. Have Jay fired up here. Looks like the original door handles. You can hear the door buzzer work. Great car. See, the flapper hood does work, it all functions. Sorry, bear with me here. I'm gonna put the hood pins in so Jay doesn't have to get out. Well, you're hunting for a 70. You know how popular these cars are. Tach works. Looks like all your gauges are working. That radio in there works. That's a snappy motor right there. That thing runs. Hear the radio working. Blower motor does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.